She tries to jump but goes up. I don't feel well, I move too slow. She sneezes loud. Oh no, Kitty, what to do? Sound! Friends all gather looking sad. Boom! Kitty feeling really bad. What? Dino runs in with Dr. Bad, wearing coat and little tag. Don't worry, Kitty, I'm here now. We will fix you, I know how.
Kitty, let's check your ears.
He checks her ears, he checks her nose. He looks at paws, he gently goes I see the problem clear. Too much candy, that's the fear. Kitty says, oops, I ate too much. Nah. Dino smiles, it happens much. Now drink juice and rest a while.
Thank you.
Soon you'll get your happy smile.
George! Come so far.
He gives a sticker, shiny star. Brave Kitty, you've come so far. He taps her head, says you're okay. Fever, go now, go away. Kitty slowly starts to grin. Dr. Dino, you helped me win. She jumps up, feels super fine. Now I feel completely shine. Dino dances, clap, clap, clap. Kitty gives a happy tap. All is good, no more scare. Health is fun when friends care.
Feeling better now?
Kitty is happy, feeling great. Dr. Dino saved her fate. Jump and sing, don't be slow. Healthy life is way to go.
I'm feeling so much better. Let's dance.
Yes, health is a grand victory.
Yay! Hooray for Kitty!
Oh no! Side of the Dino train is out of control. Kitty is the driver, but spooky dinos are everywhere. Let's ride the train and fix the chaos. 5 spooky dinos were riding the train. T-Rex, Raptor, making lots of pain. One stood up and shook the track. Kitty called the old and the owl said back. No more dinos riding the train.
Riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino
4 spooky dinos were riding the train. Stegosaurus jumping in the rain. One fell off and broke the wheel. Kitty called Dino Dot and he said, stop this chaos on the train.
riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino
3 spooky dinos were riding the train. Triceratops causing loud noise again. One hit the horn, beep beep. Kitty called the ghost, and ghost said fast, no more smashing the train.
The castle ahead is
riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino
2 spooky dinos were riding the train. Raptor and Rex jumping in pain. Seats all broken, lights went dark. Kitty called the bear and bear made remark. Stop this spooky train ride. Almost broken train.
riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino
I was so lucky.
2 broke the engine, big loud boom. Kitty called the witch and witch said oops. Fix the train, fix it soon, let's fix the train. Hi-do, they fixed the train. All dinos back on the train again. Kitty smiles, no more pain. So Kitty calls them all and says, let's ride the Dino train today.
riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino
dances come along.
Keep let's stay fun everywhere. Kitty walks to school at night. Moon is glowing soft and bright, but the gate goes creak open slow. Kitty whispers, "Is someone there?" Wind drip dress when everywhere. She steps inside, lights go blink. Chalk writes words before she thinks. Books start flying in the air. No teacher here, just empty chair. Suddenly, boom! Desk moves on its own. Kitty jumps, I'm not alone. From cupboard a skeleton pops. Bones go clack, that never stops. He sits down with a spooky grin. Let's start class. Let's begin. Kitty laughs, okay, this is new. Bones go dancing, clap, clap too. Cafeteria starts to shake. Zombie comes with hungry face.
He looks at food, one big bite.
Everything disappears in sight. Kitty shouts,
Hey, slow down.
but zombie spins all around. In science lab, lights turn green. Witch appears like movie scene. She stirs a potion, pop goes smoke. Even chairs start to float. Kitty says, "That's kinda cool." Coach just laughs. Welcome to school. Empty hallway, cold and wide. Ghost is floating side to side. Boo, he says very slow. Kitty runs, then stops like no. Ghost just laughs. I'm your friend. Spooky school, no real end. Morning light starts breaking in. Everything feels safe again. Skeleton waves, zombie smiles. Killing, witch says bye for many miles. Ghost disappears in air so thin. Kitty laughs, what a school I've been. Spooky school, but fun all day. Even monsters wanna play. Kitty and Dino ready to play. Hide and seek the counting way. Numbers hiding, where can they be? Let's find them. 1, 2, 3. Count, 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 come along. Hide and seek number song. Grab Mr. 1, Mr. 1, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near one little tree. One jumps out, happy. Mr. 2, Mr. 2, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near two tiny shoes. Two pops out with funny moves. Mr. 3, where are you? Let's find him. 1, 2, 3. Hey! Hiding near frame, bouncing bees. Hannibal Gershel bone. Mr. 5, Mr. 4, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near 4 funny fogs. 4 jumps over logs. Mr. 5, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near 5 shiny stars. 5 waves from afar. Mr. 6, where are you? Let's find him. 1, 2, 3. Hey! Here I am, 6 silly sticks. 6 plays magic tricks. Mr. 7, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near 7 volumes. Taven sings funny tunes. Mr. 8, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near 8 top cakes. Melba does silly shakes. Mr. 9, where are you? Let's find him. 1, 2, 3. Hiding near 9 toy cars. Dine zoom super far. T and teeth and boom. Hide and seek none. Fun to do. Kitty and Dino clap and cheer. Let's count again right here. Cat count count 1 to 10. Play the number game again. Mr. 10, Mr. 1, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near one little tree. One jumps out happily. Mr. 10, Mr. 2, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near through tiny shoes. Two pops out with funny moves. Mr. 3, where I move. Spider-Man gone to you. Hiding near through buzzing green. Hide on wall or shoulder. Mr. 4, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near two tiny shoes. Two pops out with funny moves. Mr. 3, where are you? Let's find him. 1, 2, 3. Hiding near 4 funny stars. Hide face from afar. Mr. 6, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near 6 silly sticks. Sticks plays magic tricks. Mr. 7, where are